there's comes up, he's probably still in bed. He, no doubt, will give you a definitive report, so as far as I'm concerned, it's okay. But I'm standing on by, and I do a carrier there, so somebody is tuning up as well.
Good morning all, here is VK3 Alpha X-Ray, signing on with a very high noise level. VK3 standing by.
VK3ZPQ.
Got you, Eric. I'm not going to list in a minute. Good morning, Eric. Got you, Peter. VK3ZPQ. Where's my pen? There it is, thank you.
Yep. Now I'm transmitting on the horizontal antenna, the big dipole. Now I'll give you some silent carrier. And I'm switching to my inverted L. I'd like those that are watching the screen on Paul's SDR to let me know which is the better antenna for Paul's SDR. Here we go to the inverted L. Right, we're on the inverted L. I'll give you a few seconds of carrier silence. And I'd be interested to know how it's looking on Paul's SDR.
I don't know whether it's any point in telling Eric what the antenna was like. It made zilch difference, or horizontally, and the vertical I could just hear him. There was a difference of about 6 S-points between them, 2 levels, but that's just a relative measurement I made at VK3ZPQ.
Okay, thanks Peter. VK3ZPQ, VK3SJ. All noted on that. Yes, they like to pick very hot days to do their work, but bear in mind, Peter, that they may cancel that. The poor little fellows don't like being up poles in that sort of heat. And frequently they've actually notified people out this way that there's not going to be any power. And of course all the shopkeepers affected closed down, only to find the following day, because it's got too hot for them, that the power stays on. But of course in the meantime the businesses have arranged to close down. VK3AIC to take it, VK3SJ.
VK3CKB, relate check-in.
Got you, Kevin. It's over to Bob.
Kevin, you're after Charlie November Portable, CKB. Okay. Thanks, Larry. VK3SJ, VK3, and the group VK3AIC. Just a quick break from you, Peter. Yes or no? That delta loop, is that a full wavelength loop break?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. Full wavelength loop.
I see, VK3CKL. Good morning to all taking part and to the listeners we have. Thanks for the news on Ray and Sandra, and also someone else you mentioned there. What the heck? Sorry, but anyway, so far I've had to rely on Paul's SDR to copy Peter, Laurie and yourself, Bob. I can almost copy all of you on my own antenna, but it's much more comfortable on the SDR. Eric, I've copied pretty well 100% on my own antenna. Anyway, good morning to all listeners we have as well.
Thanks, Drew. VK3CKL and the group VK3 Charlie November. Good morning, everyone, from a very sunny and a very still Glen Road. Those that don't know where that is, it's probably 13 or 14 kilometres northwest of the city, so a fair way from most of you. I'm copying quite a few of you, but there's a couple I'm not. I'll go through signal reports later. The rig here is a little fast phone that I've been working on for a while. I bought it for the grand total of $1 at a Cranbourne Handfest a few years back. And although physically it was in very nice condition, it was full of fault. Through sound listening.
Over to you, Kevin CKB.
Yeah, thanks, Drew, VK3CN and Group VK3CKB. Yeah, I wasn't really able to copy Greg. I don't know if I've heard Greg on before. I don't know where he's located. I did listen on the SDR, and it was a similar copy or lack of copy, fairly noisy to what I was getting on my receiver. Sorry for the late check-in. I turned the gear on about, it was about 10:59, and I was too late to check in.